got here?
Heading into Expo West.
It's called Hum Nitro, or Hum.
Cherry limeade we got here. Live and raw kombucha. Something I haven't seen before.
All right, give it a whirl.
Wow.
Whoa.
Really good.
And we are back in the Bloom booth.
Brand new Bloom Pop root beer float.
Root beer float, right.
On the money, the taste.
On the money.
On the money. Strawberry, kiwi, green superfoods. Let's see what we got here. Look at that. We tried it last year. Remember that?
Yeah, I do. Looks just as green.
It's really good. It's really good.
We're here at Tractor Beverage. What do we got, Jeffrey?
Woo. They're like sour.
Not
More
the sweetness.
Tart, apple cider vinegar.
Yes! Oh, yeah! Yes! Yes! He's alive! Woo! Sean, few words about that.
A dude wipe can bring you back to life.
It's a celebrity sighting. Oh, wow. Wow.
Oasis snack right
Yes, sir.
There goes that.
Give me a rating. Let's go.
A rating?
On the one you're eating right now, pressure. Nope.
7-8.
LaCroix, LaCroix. I don't know how to pronounce
I think
it.
it's LaCroix,
But their newest flavor,
what we got.
not to be confused with pina colada. But one of my favorite combinations of pineapple and coconut. Want my honest feedback? Tastes like a car freshener.
I don't like it at all.
I hate it.
We're here with Martin Reese, the water sommelier. He's a big celebrity.
I'm just a thirsty guy, guys.
I've been following him for
Water
years.
is the celebrity. I'm the supporting actor to bring attention to the main actor, and that is water. But there's so many amazing waters out there, guys. There's so many amazing brands.
Come to you.
So water is not just water, and it's great to
Definitely
meet
not.
you, my friend.
Thank you so much. We
Always here
appreciate
for
it.
everybody, and drink enough water, guys.
All right, we got the new formula of muscle milk. It's ultra filtered milk. I think it's going to taste like Core Power, but let's see.
Is it better than Core Power or the same?
Honesty, baby. Honesty.
Good.
Yeah,
It's good. Sam, we're here at Hint. We're here at Hint.
flavor we got?
Flavor of Hint. The peach raspberry comes in a can now. Check that out.
Still water, then sparkling gets launched in a few weeks.
And Kenan Cox gives his thumbs up approval for this one.
Ooh.
Is it that good?
It's very refreshing, but
think
still
you should try
simple.
himself.
We're here at the Recess booth.
All right, we got one of the mocktails.
What is it?
Lime margarita.
Lime margarita.
Oh, I like that a lot more.
Okay, there you go. We found the winner.
This is great. I like it a lot.
Love that. All right.
Cheers.
We're here with Chantel and Aiden at Mudwater.
We got a pistachio milk one. And we got a one that has, I don't know, coffee in it. The other one doesn't have coffee in it.
We
but
know
let's
that
see.
caffeine's a drug. Guy with the sign says so.
So good. It
It's
has like
so-
chocolatey taste to it.
Really now? That just iced tea.
Oh, yeah.
And one of their newest flavors is a watermelon flavor. There we go. You see that little reddish hue?
Oh, smells delicious.
Smells amazing.
Wow.
It's that
is
good.
Incredible.
Is that your favorite just iced tea
I
flavor?
think this might be my new best favorite flavor. That
And that's saying a lot because I love all their stuff.
unbelievable.
Spike, say hello. There he is.
I'm pointing at stuff.
Strawberry cream. We always love Nixie. Candy? All right.
It's like nostalgia.
Nostalgia candy. In a can. Candy in a can. We're at New Mexico Pinon Coffee. We're here with Jeff.
Look at this.
It looks great.
The packaging looks awesome.
Yeah, it's phenomenal.
So traditional, so authentic, right? Smells smooth, looks smooth, just black, no sugar. Let's see how it is. Wow, very, very smooth coffee.
Yeah, guys, so raw organic, complete hydration. Everything you need in one bottle. Best thing for you is to hydrate, right? Look, everybody loves coconut water. It's on fire right now, right? But what's the hardest thing to do? You're going to mix it, add into a smoothie because it doesn't taste great. We got the solution for you right here. Strawberry banana. It's a smoothie and a drink.
Strawberry banana.
Use all my adjectives.
Wow, that's an incredible flavor right there. Smooth to the palate, light. Don't taste the coconut water too much, but you taste it a little bit there. Honestly, I give this 8/8. All right, we're here at Culture Pop. We've been waiting for this all day. We're here with the founder, Tom First, with a brand new flavor.
We've got raspberry lemonade, our newest flavor. We're in the lemonade category with some bubbles in it.
That sounds great.
I know you love this. This is going to be maybe our biggest flavor.
Honestly, my favorite Culture Pop flavor to date. It's perfectly sweet, perfectly balanced, and I love the little bubbles of the lemonade. I've never tasted anything like that before.
Wow.
I give this a 9.5.
Whoa!
The highest score of the show.
And not only are we at the Hippies booth, I'm here with my good friend John Hennessy.
We're very excited because this is made from pea protein, so it has an amazing taste. It's high in protein, it's gluten-free, it's vegan. It's an awesome, awesome salty snack, and hoping you can try it.
See what it looks like.
Check it out, up close and personal.
What do you think?
It's phenomenal.
You got the Super Coffee booth, enriched with protein. America's #1 selling zero sugar coffee, baby.
Jeff, you gonna give
Give
it
it
a
a
shot?
shot.
Let's
Brand
go.
new flavor.
Brand new flavor.
Cafe latte launching at the show. This is the first test ever right here. This is live.
Cafe latte.
Incredible.
Wow.
It smells like a European
No,
coffee.
it smells amazing.
European, Parisian.
Oh my god. This is the best super coffee flavor I've ever tried.
Cloud is the Khloe Kardashian popcorn brand.
Hi everyone, this is so exciting. I love being mic'd up. I'll take you through it in chronological order. How about that? Last year, around November, December, we launched cinnamon roll. Then in January, we launched our truffle and white cheddar. And then our most recent one we just launched is our dill pickle protein popcorn. You can even see the little specks of dill on here. They'll be looking at your veins while snacking.
Wow. Truffle and white cheddar. So far, the definite winner right here. Also really good.
You guys all know him. He's the star of Everyday Dose. We're gonna taste that.
amazing. Oh, how
Is it really the number one?
Mild medium in there, lion's mane, and chaga mushrooms. And the coffee in there is low in acidity, so it's gonna be much easier on his gut.
So guys, this is black. It's not bitter at all. It doesn't taste like
I have a smoothest coffee you can try.
He nailed it.
It's so smooth.
Throne Sport Coffee.
It's the first time ever. We got the classics.
Latte, protein, salted caramel.
Dairy free.
Love it. Good looking stuff also. Go ahead.
Trying the black. That's how we like to judge it clean. How's that kind of, is it sweet at all?
1 gram of
1 gram?
1 gram of cane sugar.